Hi Aries, welcome to Aurora Hotels. This is your birthday month, so wishing you a very happy birthday and hoping you have a great year ahead. This is the monthly forecast for April 2021. You can look this up for sun, moon or rising sign. This is a general reading. So to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. To hear monthly updates and more oracle readings, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates from Aurora Hotels. So I have 4 cards laid out here, which will highlight the messages for April 2021. The first card reflects upon the past influences affecting this month. The second card is the main theme for April 2021. Third card highlights the roadblocks you may face during this month. The fourth card over here is the possibilities and opportunities that are going to come your way. I will also be taking out one more guidance card from this oracle deck placed over here. So let's start your reading. So we have Nine of Swords in the position of past influence. We have Queen of Cups as main theme for this month. We have Strength highlighting roadblocks. We have Six of Pentacles in the position of possibilities. Let's see what the message sums up. So with Nine of Swords in the past position, seems like your recent past was full of stress and worry. Life may have gone through a shift that you are just recovering from. It might have been extremely eventful and traumatic. Something didn't work out for you as you thought. It could be pertaining to a job offer, admission in college, or it could even mean some kind of worry or disappointment pertaining to a younger sibling, friend, or a child. I specifically see a relationship trouble if you are involved with someone younger. So let's come to the main theme for this month, and we have Queen of Cups. This month would require you to be more mature, and you would need to be more patient and understanding. You will have to put a brave front when things take a downturn. You would also prove to be a rock solid foundation where it comes to your family and friends. So emotions might be flying very high, so be prepared to listen to others and help them deal with their problems. So I see emotional distress coming your way, likelihood somebody who would need your help and would be in an emotional chaos, and they would need a shoulder to cry on. Let's take out one more card. We have Star over here. Star brings calm after the storm, a release from the burdens of the past. So definitely a positive card. No matter what is going on in your life right now, and no matter how difficult it might be, don't give up hope. The star is here to tell you that you will have a chance to begin something new in the very near future. You will find peace and rejuvenation, and you will heal from whatever painful event that you've been through. Again with Star, and we have Six of Pentacles here. It's time to do something wherein you could help others or give back to the society. Some of you may get involved in charity work or volunteer for something worthwhile. Some of you may also be exploring your creative and artistic talents. If you're currently looking for a new job, it's just around the corner. If you're in a relationship or a marriage, there may be a cooling period. You may be taking a break from each other or relationships in general so that you can personally grow. This may not be permanent, but this is what you need at this moment. So let's see what is blocking you. With Nine of Swords here, something in the past has happened which you still are clinging to your chest. Some of you may seem to have lost their mojo. You may be feeling depressed, bored, withdrawn, and out of touch with yourself. Some of you may be even entangled with a lot of negativity. For some, this month would require them to be courageous and stand in for what they believe in. At workplace or in your career, you may be full of self-doubt. Dig deep into your core power to restore your self-confidence. Your fear of making mistakes is preventing you from taking those bold steps to move forward. But to move forward, you will have to take some risks, and you can't stay stuck forever in the current situation that you are in. If you're in a relationship, you surely need to avoid fits of jealousy or rage. It could mean you may not be in a relationship where you both enjoy an equal standing, equal respect for each other. So it could mean one is more dominating and the other one is more submissive. Both parties need to resolve conflict as equals and with compassion and patience towards each other. Overall, with Queen of Cups here, you may be feeling emotionally explosive, so be careful who you freak out with your mood swings or your emotional outburst. You would need to be selective about who you went out to because not everybody will be able to handle your emotional outburst. Let's move to what are the possibilities you may have during this month. So with Six of Pentacles, there's a strong indication that help is arriving for you if you are looking for one. All you need to do is ask, be it ask the universe, be it ask your mentor, be it ask for help from a family or a friend, but you need to reach out. So don't hesitate if you need any kind of help. Till you don't ask, you don't receive. So if you're waiting for any kind of bank loan or financial assistance, you would get some good news and you would get that aid that you require. Some of you may even get inheritance or there's a sudden windfall of cash. Apart from the monetary aspect of this card also means that you need to invest in yourself. So investing in your well-being also becomes your priority, be it emotional well-being, be it physical well-being, be it mental well-being. You have to start investing in yourself. It could also mean investing in your future, your family's future, your child's education, and thinking more long term. So I would highly recommend that don't miss out good opportunities to make sensible investments. I would be taking out one more card from this Oracle deck for guidance. We have Ascending the Mountain. The message over here says, keep going forward. A beautiful guidance card. The message it's trying to say is that it is okay to stumble or fall down. Don't stay there. Do not allow yourself to be limited by the beliefs of others or by your own limiting beliefs or fears. The journey might be hard right now, but a great view awaits you. You most certainly can achieve your goal, however, you must continue forward through hard work and diligence. Don't give up. Even if it seems hard, keep moving forward. Even if it sometimes seems that you are going up 3 steps and falling back 2, you are still getting closer to your goal. Sometimes you may need to take smaller steps, but do not stop. Every step takes you closer to the peak of the mountain. And when you arrive, the view will be spectacular. It will be worth all the effort and the hard work that you put in. So keep going forward and have a great birthday. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you are able to resonate with this reading, please leave a comment and give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get regular updates. Thank you. Much love.